Hey everyone, welcome. This is a quick and easy marinade, mushroom marinade. As you can see, I just got home from work. I have on my work shirt. I just covered it up so the logo would not show. Here are the mushrooms. I buy them from my local store. I usually buy two and three in a pack. I like to rinse my mushrooms off. Here you're going to see me rinse one off for you, and I'm going to do the rest off camera. The proper way to wash a mushroom is to take a damp rag and to wipe the mushroom down. Continue to wipe down or wash your mushrooms, put them to the side. I'm sorry, before the marinade, slice your mushrooms in it thinly. Put your mushrooms in a shallow dish. I just happen to use my takeout containers. They're easy to wash and keep going. I like to clean as I go. Now it's time for the marinade. Again, I like to use prep containers. Very easy to wash and go. All ingredients will be as followed. You will see them, but I do not measure. I let the ancestors use me. Here you have the coconut aminos, ground cumin, smokehouse maple seasoning, ground coriander, marjoram, liquid smoke, onion powder, garlic powder. Now it's time to let the ancestors use ya. Put them all in together and mix well. Add water and continue to mix. Make any adjustments you see fit. Here I added some Jada chicken seasoning, vegan chicken seasoning. Continue to mix. Taste your creation. Continue to make adjustments where possible. I added some black pepper and continue to mix again and taste again. Take your marinade, pour it over your mushrooms in your container, shallow container. Cover your mushrooms in your shallow container, shake it, let the mushrooms marinate a minimum of 1 hour or overnight. These mushrooms could be used on wraps or lettuce, whatever your choice. Bye.